Welcome to the Celtic Farm. Today we're diving into the top 3 mistakes you absolutely cannot afford to make when watering your indoor plants. Avoid these pitfalls to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Let's get started. First up, overwatering. This is the #1 mistake that can quickly kill your plants. Always let the top inch of the soil dry out before watering again. Overwatering leads to root rot and other serious issues. Next, using tap water. In many areas, tap water contains chemicals like chlorine and fluoride that can harm your plants. To protect your plants, use filtered or distilled water. This simple step can make a big difference. Lastly, ignoring humidity levels. Some plants, especially tropical varieties, need high humidity to thrive. Consider misting your plants regularly or using a humidifier, particularly in dry environments. By avoiding these 3 critical mistakes, you can ensure your indoor plants stay healthy and vibrant. Proper care is key to their success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more plant care tips. Happy gardening!